Hello everyone. Friends, in this video I'll explain you guys how it is tough to recognize changes which are slow. How negligence in little daily affairs of our life can lead to complicated problems. How to guard ourselves against slow and continuous damage and what precautions should we take to keep slow damage in check. Friends, our life is made up of many little things in our daily routine. Any big success is a result of many little things like managing self discipline, time management, social skills, right priorities, continuous learning, emotional intelligence, and many more. We have to regularly keep in check all these factors of life. When we regularly work with these tools of life, we slowly progress towards success. Hence, any great achievement is the result of little and sincere efforts in our daily life. Friends, any negligence in these little affairs of our daily life can lead to big problems. Many times we ignore our small mistakes and indiscipline, thinking that small mistakes do no harm. But if we repeatedly do small mistakes, gradually small mistakes will collect potential to do severe harm. It is tough to detect changes which are slow in nature. I explain you this with an example. Once, a research team took a frog and put it in a bowl of cold water. After some time, the research team took the frog out of the bowl of cold water and put it in a bowl of warm water. The frog immediately recognized the difference in temperature between water of two bowls and started jumping furiously. After some time, the research team again took a frog and put it in a bowl of cold water. The frog sat still. Then the research team put the bowl on a gas stove and slowly warmed the water. The frog remained sitting still. The frog was unable to recognize the difference in temperature between water of two bowls. Hence, the research team concluded that the changes which are sudden and drastic in nature are easy to catch and rectify, but the changes which are slow in nature are hard to catch. And since slow changes are not easy to catch, it is tough to rectify it too. By the time you realize that there is a problem in your life, your problem has become too complicated. There are many small errors in your life which needs to be taken consideration. In life, we all do small mistakes like procrastination, arguing with our loved ones, taking drugs occasionally, ignoring our health, lying occasionally, choosing pleasures over necessities, and many more. A regular repetition of such type of little mistakes in life can lead to gradual downfall in your life, which can be too complicated to rectify. So, how to guard ourselves against these slow negative changes? What precautions should we take? First, make a big and long-term goal and then divide that long-term goal into many small goals. Keep on dividing your long-term goal smaller and smaller until you have practical plans for daily or weekly basis. Then work sincerely to attain these daily or weekly goals. When you have short-term goals in front of you, it is easier to detect whether you are on track or not. But When you have a long-term vision, like I want to start my business in 2 years, but if you don't have any tight plan for the present, there are chances that you will become relaxed and get astray. Second thing, do introspection regularly. Take half an hour of time daily or weekly reflecting upon yourself. Continuously check what are your priorities in life. Are your priorities correct or need to be changed with time? Keep a check over your emotions. Why and how are you are responding to people and situation in your life? What are the reasons and triggers behind your behavior? Whether you are going in the right direction or not. This regular introspection will keep the little details in your life in control. This will protect you from unknowingly making mistakes. Third thing, if sometimes you want to enjoy life and be easy on yourself, it's okay. Or if sometimes due to people and situation in your life you are not able to give your best performance, it's okay. Grant yourself freedom to be easy on yourself sometimes. All you have to do is to be aware that I'm doing it wrong. Like sometimes if you want to spend a lazy day, be aware about it. Sometimes if you want to vent out your unhappy emotions, be aware about it. Anything which we do knowingly don't become part of our personality. We guard ourselves against it and don't repeat it further. But any mistake or wrong behavior which we do unknowingly gets sink into our mind. We become used to it and it becomes part of our personality. So if you want to relax and enjoy sometimes, do it with awareness. So friends, that's how it's important to keep our daily affairs in check and guard ourselves against slow downfall. So friends, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please like and share my video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye all.